G'day, and welcome to Grayson Australia Diecast Salvage and new premises. First vehicle that we're doing out of the new premises officially is going to be a Matchbox K21 tractor transporter, but we're going to turn it into a Lamborghini transporter, and the Lamborghini is also a Matchbox Speed Kings, the K24. So come with me into our workshop. Well, welcome over to the workbench. Here is our K21 tractor transporter, Matchbox Speed Kings, and we have 6 wheels. That's more than 4. So it has 3 posts. I've already taken the tops off and I've drilled them. Yeah, I know, shock horror. I've drilled them. So I will be doing the Lamborghini in the background, but we'll be concentrating on the transporter because that's what the event's all about. The more than 4 wheels. So once we've taken the rivet heads off of those 3 posts, it's a lift and push forward because it is also held in by the tongue up the front, up by the bumper bars. Now these bumpers are broken on the ends. I'm not going to extend them. If anything, I'm just going to file them down. The wheels are okay. I most likely will clean them up and re-chrome the centres. I'm not pulling the suspensions out. The axles are straight. I will put that to one side. We have an interior. Excuse me. That is held in at the front because it forms part of the headlights. And we have a steering wheel. I don't think it's done yellow. We'll do something with that. The landlady is talking to her friends about how she almost got scammed on Facebook Messenger, but that's how life is today. The screen just pops out, it's not riveted in. It's in fairly good condition, no major scratches, just needs a lot of tidying up. And our piece on the back, there's 3 lugs in there, so that needs to be cleaned up and most likely repainted, and that leaves us our casting. So we'll be back shortly so you can find out what I'm going to do next. Okay, where was I before I so rudely interrupted with work? Of course, we've disassembled everything. We're now going to get that out the way for starters. I've done a little bit of work without you knowing about it, is that I've cleaned and repainted the base for the truck and also polished and repainted the base for the Lamborghini. So now we're going to go into our poor man's wash machine. That's all the Lamborghini stuff. And here is the truck stuff, like the interior, the framework on the back, the support, the screen, and of course the tyres. So we'll just do a bit of a rearrange here, and I'll just stick that in there. That can go sit on top of that, and this can sit on top there for the moment. In any case, what I'm going to do now is, if I get my other tub ready, which of course I'm not ready. Go on, tub. Here, tub. Here, tub. And we'll use this one, so that after we've washed, we can go in there to dry. So let me work around this. All I've got is some dishwashing detergent and some hot water, or warm water now, and we've kept the toothbrush. So we're going to give this a bit of a rub-a-dub-dub, and it's not 3 men in the tub, unfortunately. Let's give that a quick wash. It looks cleaner than what it is, or what it was, but that will be repainted. What have we got next? We've got the interior for the Lamborghini. Undecided whether I'm going to paint this one or not. The interior, that is. Don't worry, you'll get to see it soon enough. This interior we are going to paint, I'm fairly sure. I'm fairly sure. Oh, that's nice and warm, that water. So, what's next? Okay, we've got the window unit from the transporter. Looks nice and clean, clear when it's wet. We'll see how well it dries to see how much the scratchings we've got to get out. This is the screen for the Lamborghini, which was quite good. There weren't any scratches in it. So again, that's going to go into, that will eventually go into the floor polish. And we'll work on these wheels. If I had the tyres from the truck that I'm trying to model, that would have been nice, but I don't have them and I don't know where to get them. And in the vehicles I've got for wheel swaps, none of them are quite suitable. So we'll just have to go with what we've got. and we'll go from there. Anyway, all right, I'll carry on with this. See, these are the wheels from the Lamborghini. They're quite nice. Don't have to do much with them. These ones still need a bit of work. That's all right. They're not too bad. They're not too bad at all. Considering the vehicle's, what, 50 odd years old? So it's done quite well. And of course we have the black louver from the Lamborghini. Let's not lose that one. And that's it. That's all the parts. All right. We'll move on to something else. Catch you in a moment. Okay. And we're here. You're hearing the taverners in the background. And here we go.
Last time I did. And he bubbled up. Yeah. So I just played it with this color and I left it like that. I didn't realise. Sorry, go ahead. I didn't realise they were gold wings, them Mercedes. Yeah, this Lothar is a German guy, so yeah. He's always commenting this much. Oh, Luther, yeah, I tell you what, he knows a lot though.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, Lothar, yeah, he's I know you mean. I call him Luther, but yeah. He's from he did tell who he's from. Dresden, I think.
Yeah, he's in the north of Germany, Lothar.
Yeah, Dresden. Yeah, he's pretty knowledgeable. Oh yeah. He knows his stuff. Yes, I don't know why
Okay, we're painting time. We have a base coat on for the moment. And here we go with our other colour. It is a blue, and it is again a metal cast paint. Here we go. Just need to sit that down for a moment so I can grab it from this side. We'll let that flash off and we'll come back to it. Now, here is our Matchbox Speed Kings K21 tractor transporter. Now, I haven't got it on the turntable, so we're just going to have to manually turn it round. So, what do we do with it? Of course, we stripped it. We've repainted it in the metal cast blue. We have cleaned and polished that screen. Isn't that nice? We've repainted the interior. We've painted the hubs, so original wheels. We've painted the support on the back. We've kept the boards in a metallic silver. Same thing with the headboard. And we did the masking off on the notice board up the front, or the air scoop if you like. You should be seeing a photo about now, which was the inspiration for this. And yes, we did do the Lamborghini as well, but the Lamborghini was not the focus for this video. The video was focused for this K24. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed putting this thing together. Like the video, share the video, spread the word. Don't forget also to visit the Diecast and Modelers Community Facebook page. We have some very talented people there. And hope to catch you next time. Gravesend Australia, Diecast Salvage. Bye.